Did you know that eating this with cucumber can actually harm your health? Even the superfood cucumber, which is good for health, has foods that pair well with it and foods that don't. Even such a good cucumber must be eaten correctly to be beneficial to your body. If you eat it with unhealthy foods, it can actually harm your health. So, I've prepared this for you. To protect your health, I will tell you about the 3 worst foods to pair with cucumbers. And the 3 best foods to pair with it. Hello, this is your Dr. John. Are there any of you who haven't subscribed yet? Please press the subscribe and like buttons right now. Share this with your loved ones. And introduce Dr. John to many others. I will continue to provide you with the best health information. When thinking of a crisp and refreshing taste, and a fresh scent, there is a fruit with a bright green color comes to mind. Today's star, known as the fruit of the gods, is the superfood cucumber. You might enjoy cucumbers as salty and savory pickles, in a tangy and refreshing salad, or as a cool cucumber juice. As you know, cucumbers are packed with moisture and vitamins, making them great for skincare. Recently, the amazing immune-boosting and curing disease effects of cucumbers have been revealed, causing a big sensation. But did you know that? Even such a healthy cucumber can be harmful to your health if eaten with certain foods. Now, let's find out the 3 worst foods to pair with cucumbers. And the 3 best foods and special recipes to pair with them. First, the worst food combination with cucumber is, surprisingly, carrot. Aren't you shocked? When hiking or exercising, you might eat cucumbers and carrots together for hydration, and they are considered the best combination in salad. However, from a nutritional standpoint, carrots and cucumbers do not go well together. Firstly, cucumbers are 95% water. Wait a minute, isn't cucumber a vegetable? Are you curious about this? Cucumbers are botanically classified as fruits, because they grow from flowers and contain seeds. They are particularly good for immediate hydration due to their high water content. So, what makes up the remaining 5% of cucumbers aside from water? It's vitamins. A single cucumber contains a lot of vitamin C, about 15% of the recommended daily intake. It not only relieves fatigue and gives you energy, but also boosts your immune system significantly. Moreover, the vibrant green color of cucumbers comes from chlorophyll. When chlorophyll and vitamin C are combined, they provide excellent moisturizing effects, making your skin radiant and helping to generate collagen, which is great for preventing skin aging. But here's the catch. If you eat cucumbers, which are rich in vitamin C, together with carrots, you won't get any vitamin C. This is because an enzyme in carrots called ascorbinase destroys vitamin C. So, should you never eat cucumbers and carrots together? No. There is a secret method. Since this enzyme in carrots is weak against heat and acid, you can lightly cook the carrots, or sprinkle a little vinegar or lemon juice on them. This way, you can enjoy the nutrients from both carrots and cucumbers. One more tip. The vitamins in cucumbers are mostly in the skin, so be sure to eat them with the skin on. The first best food combination with cucumber is none other than pear. Cucumbers are well known for their cooling properties and their ability to reduce heat. Cucumber is a representative cooling ingredient that helps release heat from the body. In fact, it's used not only for treating burns and reducing inflammation and swelling, but also for alleviating pent-up anger-related heat. However, eating such cooling foods can sometimes cause side effects. The released heat can circulate throughout the body, hindering digestion and blocking blood circulation. Surprisingly, cucumbers are not only cooling but also full of water. The abundant moisture in cucumbers promotes diuretic effects. ensuring the released heat is expelled from the body rather than circulating within. When eaten with pears, an incredible synergistic effect is achieved. The cooling properties of pears, combined with cucumbers, enhance the heat-reducing and anti-inflammatory effects, ensuring the heat is entirely expelled from the body. Moreover, both cucumbers and pears are rich in asparagine. This component is excellent for detoxifying and strengthening the liver, making cucumbers and pears the best combination for detoxifying the body. So from now on, make sure to eat cucumbers and pears together, not only for inflammation, pent-up anger and detoxification, but also for liver health. The second worst combination with cucumber is banana. Cucumber, with its high water content and low calories, and banana, rich in nutrients and dietary fiber, are both top choices for a diet. Thus, many people often consume cucumbers and bananas together. However, surprisingly, this combination is not good for health. First of all, cucumbers are not only full of water but also packed with nutrients beneficial for heart and blood vessel health. You know that reducing salt intake is important for cardiovascular health, don't you? While reducing sodium intake is crucial, it's equally important to consume plenty of potassium, which helps expel the sodium already ingested from the body. Cucumbers are rich in various excellent nutrients, especially potassium. The potassium in cucumbers dilates blood vessels, aiding in the smooth expulsion of waste and sodium from the body. Therefore, regularly eating cucumbers is excellent for preventing cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension, hyperlipidemia, arteriosclerosis, and stroke. Here's the focus. The problem is that bananas are also rich in potassium. Although potassium is very good for health, excessive intake can disrupt the water balance in cells, causing muscles and nerves to overly relax. As a result, it can lead to muscle weakness and paralysis, chronic numbness in the hands and feet, and even cause heart arrhythmias and acute hypotension. So, from now on, do not consume cucumbers and bananas together. Eat them separately to ensure you get all the nutrients from each. The second recommended food to pair with cucumber instead of banana is apple. As mentioned earlier, cucumbers are rich in nutrients that help prevent cardiovascular diseases. In addition to potassium, there is another reason cucumbers are considered a superfood. It's the miraculous vitamin K for vascular health found in cucumbers. Hold on, here's a quiz. What happens if you get a wound on a blood vessel? That's right. The wound needs to clot and heal quickly to prevent excessive bleeding. However, if it clots too much and blocks the vessel, oxygen and nutrients cannot be properly supplied, leading to damage to tissues and organs. Vitamin K in cucumbers is crucial for maintaining this delicate balance. Moreover, cholesterol, a major cause of cardiovascular diseases, not only causes problems by itself, but also leads to atherosclerosis when it accumulates and calcifies on the walls of blood vessels. Vitamin K in cucumbers lowers cholesterol levels and prevents atherosclerosis. Therefore, you must include cucumbers in your diet to prevent cardiovascular diseases. When eaten with apples, cucumbers become a miraculous remedy for blood vessels. The soluble dietary fiber pectin in apples strengthens and expands the blood vessels. So, while cucumbers help with blood circulation, apples fortify the blood vessels. Make sure to eat apples and cucumbers together from now on. The third worst food combination with cucumber is, surprisingly, pickled cucumbers. While it's delicious to enjoy crunchy cucumbers pickled in salt, or seasoned as spicy pickles, do you know how much salt goes into making pickles? An enormous amount of salt is used, and no matter how much you rinse them, some saltiness remains. Of course, sodium, the main component of salt, is an essential mineral necessary for the body. Salt is crucial for the digestion of food, blood circulation, and the expulsion of waste. Here's a quiz. Why does the heart, unlike other organs, never get cancer? It's because the heart contains the highest amount of salt in the body. Given the health benefits of salt, a completely salt-free diet can be detrimental. However, considering that our diet already includes a lot of sodium, it's much better to be cautious about salty foods. So, why is eating too much salt bad for your health? Excessive salt intake increases the sodium concentration in blood vessels, causing water to flood into the blood vessels through osmosis. This makes the blood vessels stiff, raising blood pressure. Ultimately, this can lead to hypertension, stroke, heart disease, heart failure, and kidney disease. Additionally, sodium is known as a major carcinogen that causes stomach diseases. Eating salty foods damages the stomach lining, leading to gastritis and stomach illness. Therefore, you should avoid eating cucumbers pickled in salt from now on. The third best food combination with cucumber is vinegar. Many people think of cucumbers as a food that is mostly water. However, recent studies have revealed the incredible brain health benefits of cucumbers. This is thanks to a natural compound called fisetin found in cucumbers. Fisetin is not only excellent for its anti-inflammatory effects, but also has tremendous benefits for brain health, especially for improving memory and concentration. The fisetin in cucumbers protects brain nerve cells and prevents aging. Moreover, cucumbers have outstanding anti-disease properties. Did you know that the stem end of a cucumber tastes bitter? That bitter part contains an antioxidant compound called cucurbitacin. This compound removes free radicals and prevents the occurrence and growth of health-harming cells. It is particularly effective for detoxifying the liver, making it excellent for preventing liver and prostate diseases. In addition to these benefits, cucumbers are great for their anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting and brain health. Furthermore, cucumbers are a representative alkaline food, which is another great benefit. When our body's acidity level is high, toxins are produced, and inflammation occurs in the blood vessels. Therefore, it's essential to consume alkaline foods like cucumbers regularly, to neutralize acidity and maintain health. This is where vinegar comes into play. Although vinegar's sour taste might make you think it's acidic, it is surprisingly an alkaline food. Vinegar helps ensure that the vitamin C in cucumbers is fully absorbed by our bodies. It also cleans and strengthens the acidified blood vessel walls. Additionally, the warm nature of vinegar balances the excessively cold nature of cucumbers, making it even better. So, make sure to eat cucumbers with vinegar either in a vinegar salad or as cucumber vinegar pickles. So far, we've learned about the 3 worst and 3 best food combinations with cucumber. It's time to summarize them one last time. To fully absorb the vitamins in cucumbers, sprinkle a little vinegar or lemon juice when eating them with carrots, or cook the carrots slightly. Pair cucumbers with pears to enjoy the synergistic effects. Instead of eating cucumbers with bananas, pair them with apples. Avoid eating cucumbers pickled heavily in salt, and instead, enjoy them with vinegar for a healthier option. How does that sound? I hope you incorporate cucumbers with the right food combinations to protect your health. Thank you so much for spending time with me. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like it. And share it with your beloved family and friends. I'll always pray for your health and happiness. This has been your Dr. John. Thank you very much.